All right, here's the reverse lights that they sent out. So we're gonna take a T15 star in order to take this light fixture out and get to the bulb. And I'm gonna need a little help today with that. I'm gonna use this Lasfit auto trim removal kit. I'm gonna pick out a tool and we're gonna see if that helps us pop the light out. The reverse light is this first one up top. So you're gonna twist that to the left, pull that out, and we're gonna kind of contort this where it doesn't fall on us. And then we're gonna pull this bulb out. Easy as this, take the bulb, slide it right back in, and then take it to the fixture and turn to the right. Line everything back up and just push it right back in. Now we're right in the middle of this install, so I want y'all to see definitely how much brighter that left side is than that right side. So let's continue on. Same thing on this side. Find the bulb, which is at the top. So we're gonna twist it to the left. We're gonna pop that out. Take that bulb and slide the new one in. It's time to slide this fixture back in. I want to show y'all where you got to line it up. It's this screw and this screw right here into these holes right here. That hole and this hole down here. So you want to make sure you line those up and then push forward. So now we're gonna move on to these tag lights, which you can barely see. I wanna show you the location of this tag light, and it is right there. So we're gonna twist that to the left, pull that out, stick the new bulb in. Let's go ahead and show you guys these tail lights. Here's the LED, and there is the halogen bulb. So it's looking good. Let's go ahead and finish this install up. All right, here's the second location for the other side of the tag light. So let me get that untwisted and we'll put the new bulb in. So I do want to tell you real quick, these tag lights are a pain to install as far as twisting the mechanism to pull the bulb out. So take a deep breath, be patient, you'll eventually get them installed. So, but yes, it is looking a lot better now. Now it is up to par. I want to give a shout out to Lasfit for the sponsorship and making this high country look good. Until next time, see y'all. You know how you overstretch?
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. Just getting old, man, getting old.